Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Jeff Francis here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a simple way to increase the quality of your video, to enhance your video quality. So this method is a method I equally use and is working perfectly for me. So I believe it will also work for you. So I want you to open this app. If you don't have it, download it. CapCut. Open CapCut. So I'm going to open CapCut. So I'm going to click on new projects. So there is a video I recorded recently. Okay, so so what you need to do is at the top here you're going to see 720p. So you click on it and you increase this to 1080p. Then you click on export. This is a very simple and easy method to increase your video quality. This is a method I use personally and is working perfectly for me. If you got value from this video, smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you guys on my next video. Peace. It's going to export this video for me now, and once the video is done exporting, it's going to increase the video quality. And this is a very simple way that anyone can use to increase their video quality so that you can have quality videos. See you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button for me if you haven't. Peace.